Yeah. Difference between the one-to-one function and many-to-one function. So one-to-one function you can see, many-to-one function you can see. So these are the inputs. A, B, C are the inputs. These are the outputs. 1, 2, 3. Output. Similarly here, A, B, C. A, B, C are the inputs. 1, 2, 3 are the outputs. Okay. You can see point number 1. This is one-to-one function. See, take input A. It has output 2. So one output. Take B. 3 is the output. So one output. Take C. 1 is the output. That means A has one input. A has one output. B has one output. C has one output. All the inputs are each and every input as exactly one output. There is only one output for each input. Okay, you take here this many to one function. For A, output is 3, one output. For B, output is 3, 3 one output. C, output is 1, one output. So A has one output, B also has one output, C also has one output. Each of the inputs have exactly one output. Each and every input has one output exactly. So in both the cases, one to one, many to one functions, okay, each input, okay, each input has exactly one output, okay. So this is first point. Now second point, consider one to one function. So I already said each input has exactly one output, one output. Okay. So these are the outputs 1, 2, 3. Correct. See, these outputs are different, distinct, different. 1 is different, 2 is different number, 3 is different number. So in case of one to one function, the outputs are different. Okay, outputs are different. So in case of one to one function, this is one to one function. Okay, now come to many to one function. As I already said, each input has exactly one output. I told you, similar to this only here also. But you can see here 2 is not mapped to any ABC. I mean there is no arrow mark. For 1 from C there is arrow mark. For 3 arrow marks are from A, from B we have arrow marks. For 2 there is no arrow mark. So 2 is not the output here. Okay, 2 is not output. 1 and 3 are the outputs. So these are just examples. Okay, just examples. So 1, 3 are the outputs. So you can see for A output is I'll write here. See for A output is 3. For B also output is 3 because arrow mark is going here. It's going to 3. For C output is 1. Output is 1. Now you can see these outputs. Okay. Here outputs are different. 1 is different, 2 is different, 3 is different. Here you can see 3 and 3. Outputs are same. Okay. Outputs are same. These two outputs are same. Now we got it. What's the difference between this and this? Outputs are different in this case. Here outputs are same. 3 3. So that is a different. Okay. So this difference I am telling you to understand, because whenever they ask you the question, find which of the following is one-to-one function or many-to-one function, or give an example for many-to-one function, or they will give one example and they will ask you, is this one-to-one function or many-to-one function? That time, if you know this difference, between this one-to-one and many-to-one function, so you can easily identify which is one-to-one function, many-to-one function. Okay, and you can give example also if they ask you to give example. Okay, so I hope you got it. What is the similarity between this and this one? For each input, one output in both the cases, one in one-to-one function, also in many-to-one function. This is the similarity, same thing in both cases. What is the difference? This one, outputs are different in this one-to-one function. In many-to-one function, outputs are same. Okay, this you remember. See, not only this difference, whatever the question they ask you on the basis of one-to-one and many-to-one function. Okay, if you want to give correct answer, you should know both the points, first point, second point. You should know both, then only you can answer the questions based on these two functions. This first point also important. I mean, what is the similarity? Second point also important. What is the difference between this and this? What is the same thing? What is the difference? If you know this, whatever the question they ask, you can easily answer. So I hope you got it. Hey, thank you. Click on subscribe.